Are you tired of the traditional 9-to-5 grind and looking for a flexible and rewarding career? Fiverr freelancing may be the answer you've been searching for, but let's take a realistic look at the pros and the cons to decide if this is the best option for your future. Fiverr is a popular platform for freelancers to offer their services to clients worldwide. While Fiverr has its advantages, it also has its drawbacks. So let's start by discussing the pros of Fiverr freelancing. Firstly, Fiverr has a wide variety of services. This makes it easy for the freelancer to find jobs in their area of expertise and also for the client to find services they need. Secondly, Fiverr has a large user base, which can lead to freelancers getting the exposure they need. This can lead to more job opportunities and more clients. Thirdly, Fiverr offers a flexible work schedule. This makes it easier for the freelancer to balance their work and personal life. Fourthly, Fiverr offers a simple and safe payment system. This can make it easy for the freelancer to not have to set up their own payment system. Fiverr takes care of all of the processing and transactions, while the freelancer gets paid and the client gets their work. Finally, Fiverr freelancing offers an opportunity for freelancers to build a portfolio of work. This can be especially helpful for those who are just starting out in their field or those who are trying to expand their client base. Now let's discuss the cons of Fiverr freelancing. Firstly, Fiverr has a large number of freelancers, which means the competition can be stiff. It can be difficult to stand out from the crowd and attract new clients, especially if the Fiverr freelancer is still new to the platform. Secondly, some clients on Fiverr are looking for cheap services, which can lead to a lower pay for the freelancer. It can be hard to find a client who is willing to pay fair value for high quality work. Thirdly, Fiverr does take a fee for each transaction, which can lead to lower earnings for the freelancer. The platform charges a 20% fee for transactions up to $500 and a 5% fee for transactions above $500. Fourthly, freelancers may face challenges communicating with clients, especially if there are time zone differences or language barriers. This can make it difficult to clarify project requirements and ensure that both parties are on the same page. Finally, freelancers on Fiverr are dependent on the platform for finding clients and managing payments. This can be limiting to building a freelancer's own brand and reputation. Freelancers may find it challenging to establish themselves outside of the platform. In conclusion, Fiverr has its pros and cons, so you should really consider these when deciding whether or not you are going to be using the platform. If you are new to Fiverr, it can take some time to build a client base, but with hard work and persistence, you can have success with Fiverr. If you are new to the platform, make sure you go watch this video for my tips on how you can improve as a new Fiverr seller. But if you are starting out from total scratch and this is your first time watching a Fiverr video, make sure you go watch this mini Fiverr course I made on YouTube absolutely for free so that you can know how to set up everything you need to become successful on Fiverr and have a great gig or 2 or 3. There's up to 7. Make use of it.